Welcome. You are watching the campus news from Holy Cross College Nagercoil. News for the first half of March 2024. The 2nd of March 2024, Graduation Day. The 30th graduation day of the college was held on the 2nd of March 2024. During the occasion, Dr. Sister Mary Gilda, the secretary of the college, declared the convocation open and Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi presented the annual report of the college. The chief guest, Dr. J. Socrates, the registrar of Mananvinum Sundaranar University, delivered the graduation day address and distributed the degree certificates to the young graduates. The 4th of March 2024, Campus Bazar. The Deanery of Entrepreneurship organized the latest edition of the Campus Bazar on the college premises. Mr. Andrew Jason and Mrs. Adeline Andrew, the executive directors of Keynes Group of Institutions, inaugurated all 21 stalls set up by 32 entrepreneurs. The Bazar was a treat to the eyes and offered value for money by selling a whole range of handcrafted and homemade customizable products. The 4th and 6th of March 2024 session on Code of Conduct. In two separate sessions held on the 4th and 6th of March 2024, Dr. G. Lima Rose, former head of the Department of Chemistry of Holy Cross College Nagercoil, encouraged all students to align their actions with values and thereby grow to become persons of inner worth and dignity. The 5th of March 2024, Tirukkural Competitions. The Department of Tamil SF, in collaboration with the Kanyakumari Vinanji Arachi Vyagalamarial Foundation, organized an intercollegiate Tirukkural poetry, essay, song, elocution, and painting competitions. Several colleges from Kanyakumari and Thuthukudi districts participated in these competitions, and St. Alphonsus College for Arts and Science received the overall trophy of the competitions. Seminars and conferences. The 1st of March 2024. The PG and Research Department of Botany organized a national seminar on synergizing satellite-based phytoplankton monitoring with Industry 4.0 for sustainable smart agriculture. The two distinguished speakers of the seminar, Dr. J. Collins Johnny, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Nagercoil, and Dr. S. Kaliraj, Scientist D, Biogeochemistry Group, National Center for Earth Sciences Studies, Ministry of Earth Sciences, Government of India, Thiruvananthapuram, highlighted the significance of Industry 4.0 by delving into the area of smart agriculture. The 5th of March 2024, National Seminar on Digital Twin Technologies. The Department of Computer Science, in collaboration with Infox Solution, organized a national seminar on digital twin technologies. The resource persons, Mr. Subish and Mrs. Reshna Sundar, software engineers from Speridian Technologies, Technopark, Thiruvananthapuram, in their talk, educated the participants about IoT and artificial intelligence. On the same day, the Department of Commerce SF1, in collaboration with Nanjal College of Arts and Science, Kaliyakavalai, organized an international seminar on the impact of artificial intelligence on the future of students. Mr. Sahai Sachin of Jordan Groups, Australia, and Mrs. Beulah Jabamalar of Sishya School Campus, Dehradun, were the resource persons. The department newsletter, Crosscom, was released during the occasion. On the same day, the PG and Research Department of Economics organized an international conference on Contemporary Technological and Industrial Revolution 5.0. The resource persons, Dr. Jabamalai Vinachi Arachi, Principal Advisor, Knowledge Management Associates, and former Principal Advisor to the Director General of UNIDO, Vienna, Austria, and Dr. J.V. Arun, Assistant Professor of Government Arts College, Nandanam, Chennai, educated the participants about contemporary revolution in industry and technology. During the occasion, the department newsletter Econ Spectrum was released. The 15th of March 2024, Career Opportunities for Commerce Graduates in the Era of Industry 5.0. The Research Department of Commerce aided, in collaboration with the Department of Commerce and Management of Amrita School of Arts, Humanities and Commerce, Mysuru, organized an international seminar on career opportunities for commerce graduates in the era of Industry 5.0. In the inaugural session, Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the principal of the college, offered her felicitations. Dr. Nishad Nawaz, Associate Professor of the College of Business Administration, Kingdom University, Bahrain, gave a virtual inaugural address, and the resource persons Dr. J. Samuel, Assistant Professor of BCom Accounting and Finance from Loyola College, Chennai, and Dr. Balaji, Associate Professor of the Department of Commerce and Management of Amartha, Mysuru campus, spoke on the essential skills of the workforce and the opportunities and challenges for commerce graduates in the era of Industry 5.0. The seminar also witnessed the release of the department newsletter HCOM Jottings and the signing of a MOU between the two colleges in the areas of research collaboration, continuing education, and collaboration in seminars and conferences. These are the latest from the campus. Holy Cross College Nagercoil takes pride in its winning streak that continues into each day and every minute of the year. Stay tuned until we meet in another edition of Campus News. Thank you.